Good morning to all. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, this is Mr. Mananjan Sahu. Today, I am going to start the Advanced Computer Network of Week 5 Assignment 5, which last date is 26 February 2025. Okay, guys, now we will start to solve the questions. You can see here in Week 5 Assignment 5, 10 questions are there, and we will try to attempt the 10 questions one by one. Let's start the first questions here. The number of layers in the standard ISO or OSI model, open system interconnections models. How many layers are there? There are 7 layers. Okay, that is called PDNT SPA. PDNT SPA, you can see that is physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and applications layer. So there are 7 layers. Okay, in the standard ISO or OSI models. Okay, the layers are clearly visible. You can see here. Okay, now moving to the question number 2. Which of the following operational packet switching network protocol exists before the TCP and IP, transmission control protocol or internet protocols? This answer with the network control protocol. Network control protocol, because in network control protocol, before the widespread adaptation of a transmission control protocol or internet protocol, the network control protocol was used in the ARPANET. Okay, the precursors to the internet, NCP, means network control protocol, provide basic network services such as host to host communications and file transfer. That's why we choose 2 option C, that is the network control protocol. Moving to the question number 3. Okay, the fast internet message exchange between the UCLA and SRI, University of California, Los Angeles, and the SRI was exchanged on 29th October 1969. Okay, 29th October 1969, the first message sent to over the ARPANET. The precursor or to the internet occurred in the October 29, 1968. It was from the UCLA to SRI, but the system crashed after transmitting only the first 2 letter LO. Okay, so question number 3, option D is the right answer. Moving to the question number 4. Which of the following is the synonyms for layer 2 PDU? Layer 2 PDU, that is called a frame. That is called a frame because in the OSI model, each layer has a specific name, the protocol data unit PDU. It handles at layer 2 data link layer. The PDU is called the frame. The PDU is called the frame. That's why we choose 4 option C, PDU frame. Moving to the question number 5. PDU of layer N is equivalent to layer of N header and SDDU of layer N. 5 option C. Okay, the protocol data unit PDU at layer N consists of header information specific to that layer. Layer N header and service data unit SDU from the layer above SDU of layer N. The layer N header and SDU of layer N. 5 option C. Moving to the question number 6. Which of the following statement is are correct about the vertical communications in a layered architecture? In layered architecture, the mode of communication between 2 peers is indirect or virtual. Indirect or virtual, because in a layered architecture, vertical communication refers to the interaction between the adjacent layers. However, the direct communication between the three layers, the application layer to application layers, is not direct. Instead, it is indirect or virtual, and it is relays on the surface of a layer below. So, option B, the mode of communication between peers in indirect or virtual. B option is the right answer. Moving to the question number 7, which of the following corresponding to the end-to-end principle of a David Clark? End-to-end, this is called decentralized control, because the end-to-end principle advocated by David Clark emphasized that network functionality should reside on the end host rather than the network infrastructure itself. The principle promises decentralized control, where intelligence and control are distributed among the end devices. So 7 option C is the probable answer. Moving to the question number 8, the first text message exchange on the early internet as LO. Okay, 8C, because The first message sent over the ARPANET was supposed to be login. So LO is the LO first two letters, but only the first two letter LO was successfully transmitted before the system crashed. So it option C. What does the robustness principle mean? Robustness principle. What is robustness principle? Robustness principle means end points must be robust against network failures. End points must be robust against network failures. The robust principle states that endpoints should be designed to handle network failure gracefully, ensuring reliable communication even in the presence of errors. The communication should be reliable. So 9 option B, endpoints must be robust against network failure. The probable answer. Moving to the question number 10. Which of the following is not the reason for network ossifications? Not the reason for network ossification means evolution of a newer internet technology. Option A, evolution of a newer internet technology. Network ossification refers to the tendency of a network to become rigid and a resistance to the change due to the accumulation of legacy technology and practices. The evolution of a newer internet technology is not a cause of ossification, but rather than a potential solution to it. The other options, competing interest and middle box adaptations can contribute to ossifications. So you choose 10 option A. Now I click on submit the answer button. You guys see, thank you for taking the type assignment. Your assignment successfully submitted. We also explain in details. Once again, we have to verify 1 option C, 2 option C, 3 option D, 4 option C, 5 option C, 6 option B, 7 option C, 8 option C, 9 option B, and 10 option A. Okay. If this video is informative to you, I hope you definitely subscribe our channel, and we will try to generate the video of week 6 assignment 6 solutions. Okay guys, if you have any doubts, any comments, any questions, you can put your comments, your views in my YouTube comment box. You are most welcome, and prepare yourself very well for the exam you are going to prepare. Okay, and till then, take care yourself. All the best.